So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Surfsaya 35 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And then dito, dial lang natin is asterisk 123 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And after nyan dito, piliin natin yung number 6, which is yung Surfsaya Panalo. So, type natin guys yung number 6, and then send. And then dito, piliin ulit natin yung Surfsaya. So, type natin yung number 2, and then tap send. And lastly guys, piliin natin dito yung number 4, which is yung worth 35 pesos. So, type natin yung number 4, and then send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Surfsaya 35, makakuha tayo ng total of 2.5 gigabytes na data. So, 500 megabytes araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, or ML. So, total of 1.5 gigabytes na yon. Plus, bukod pa doon, meron pa siyang 900 megabytes na data, plus only calls and texts for 3 days for only 35 pesos. So, napakasulit ng ating Surfsaya 35. So, para ma-register or ma-subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, kung lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Surfsaya 35 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.